Your iPhone is frozen, the screen won't respond, and nothing you tap is working. Before you panic, there's a simple button combo that fixes this almost every time. Let me show you exactly how to force restart your iPhone. A force restart is different from a normal restart. It's a hard reset you use specifically when your iPhone is frozen, unresponsive, or stuck on a black screen. To force restart an iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen, then let go. The screen will go black for a moment, then the Apple logo will appear as your phone restarts normally. This does not erase anything on your phone. Your photos, apps, and data are completely safe. It simply force quits everything running and restarts the operating system. If the screen stays black for more than a minute or two, plug your iPhone into a charger and let it charge for at least 15 minutes before trying the force restart again. A completely dead battery can look identical to a frozen screen. Quick pro tip. A force restart is completely safe to do anytime your phone is acting glitchy, even if it's not fully frozen. Laggy apps, a stuck control center, or a screen that won't rotate. It's a great first troubleshooting step before you assume something is seriously wrong. And that's how to force restart your iPhone when it freezes up. Let me know in the comments which iPhone you have, and if this got your screen moving again, check out the video on your screen where I show you how to fix iPhone battery drain. If your phone keeps freezing frequently, a struggling battery is sometimes the hidden cause. So that one's worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss more tips and tutorials like this.